This has to be for the chocolate peanut butter Rice Krispies cereal bars. What we're going to do, you need to take 9 by 13 inch baking pan that I sprayed with cooking spray. And I just sprayed with melted butter that I use it with the pan flavor. Now in the sauce pot over medium heat, I'm going to turn this for medium. I'm going to start with 1 cup of granulated sugar. I'm going to go ahead and put 1 cup of light corn syrup. That hot for those corn syrup. And now you want to bring it to a boil. You're going to make sure to stir it constantly. Just to want to make sure it doesn't get any sugar crystals. You can see the sugar and corn syrup comes to a boil. And then we're going to remove it from the heat. So we got the sugar and the corn syrup has been already boiled. You can see how it doesn't have any sugar crystals on as I keep stirring it together. Now we're going to put in 1 cup of creamy peanut butter. This has to be very smoothie peanut butter. Let me just get to plop the peanut butter. And I'm just going to keep stirring until the peanut butter will melt. Next, we're going to put 6 cups of Rice Krispies cereal. And you're just going to keep stirring it. Rice Krispies cereal is going to be nice and crunchiness for the cereal bars. You can see how sticky of those. The peanut butter and the corn syrup and the sugar. Alright, so once after you stir it, you're going to put it into a prepared pan. And this is going to be maybe heavy pot. And you're going to put it right here. And look how much the peanut butter and the Rice Krispies cereal just sticking over. I'm just going to get this over here. So I like to use a rubber spatula to give it firmly pack it into it. Just you want to make sure to spread it all over in the edge of the pan. If you like, you can also use it with a wax paper or a parchment paper. That'd be easy to pack it into it. Keep packing it. We're going to set this aside to prepare for the chocolate and the butterscotch. In the microwave safe bowl, I'm going to put in 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips and 1 cup of butterscotch chips. They couldn't find one of the butterscotch chips, but they have with this. Here it is, Nestle Toll House. Milk chocolate and peanut butter flavor. The chocolate is on top and the peanut butter is on the bottom. I'm going to microwave for 1 minute. Getting smooth together with those melted chocolate butterscotch. And then return it back in the microwave for additional 10 to 20 seconds. See, I already did for after 1 minute. I'm just going to make sure to stir it. Give this to a smooth. And now you're just going to pour it on top of the cereal mixture. Has been already pressed or firmly packed into it. And then you're just going to spread it on the back of the spoon, or you can also use it with an offset spatula. You want to make sure to get that spread the chocolate and the butterscotch right evenly on the edge of that on top of the cereals. Once after you spread it, you're going to let it cool for 45 minutes. Or to speed up your process, you can pop this in the refrigerator for 20 minutes or until it's firm. I'll be back and we'll show you what it looks like. Alright, the scotch was done from the fridge or outside to leave it for 45 minutes or 20 minutes to speed up the process. I just took it out and then we're going to cut it into each bars. Alright, I just cut them into 12 squares and it looks great for those Scotcheroos. This is going to be so delicious with the chocolate and peanut butter Rice Krispie bars. And this is, you can see there's so many 12 of those on this plate. And if you're interested about this recipe, how to make your own chocolate Scotcheroos with those crunchiness chocolate peanut butter Rice Krispie cereal bars, write me in the comments below, share the video after you just view it, subscribe to my channel, click the bell to see all notifications about new videos and the latest video. So I hope you enjoy, and as always, thank you very much for watching.